At every Christmas party, there has to be a good dad joke. How much did Santa pay for his sleigh? Nothing, because it was on the house. Hi.
Hello, happy holidays.
Come on in.
We're so excited to have you guys here. We have decorated our whole house for the holidays and we're just loving how everything came together. But first, we wanted to show you this little tree behind my shoulder here. So every year, I like to decorate my main trees a certain way, and the kids like to be involved, so I thought the best of both worlds would be to give them their own tree to decorate. My personal favorite though, is Watson went to the kitchen drawer and got a paper plate. He colored it and put a little hook on it, and he was so proud of his little ornament.
His own.
How cute is that? We are so excited to show you the rest of the house and all of our decorations, but first, our family loves hot cocoa, so I thought we should grab a little cup.
Do we have marshmallows?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Hot chocolate is a necessity in this house, and we have 6 people in our family, so we do a Crockpot version because we just can't have enough. So I found this recipe, and it's just so easy to throw together in the beginning of the day, go outside and play, and then by the time we come back in, it's hot, it's ready to roll, and it is so good. So it's sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, regular milk, vanilla, and chocolate chips. You just put it in there, you let it go, and it is so dang good. She's hot and ready.
She ready.
She ready. So we have a couple traditions in our family. This hot cocoa is a newer one that we started last year,
Another one is we always have matching Christmas jammies.
which you might see later. I always pick out the pajamas because I don't even want to imagine what our pajamas would look like if Cole picked them out.
They would be out there. They'd be the ones like with stuff hanging off of them, you know, like the lights and all that. But they wouldn't be practical or comfortable whatsoever.
Or hot.
Yeah.
I like to go all out. All right, so of course you need marshmallows. You got more chocolate chips, some cookies, some pretzels.
What do you like to put in yours?
I'm like a simple, classic, hot chocolate girl. I feel like you're gonna be like a weird combination.
I mean, I think just for the aesthetic.
Oh, aesthetic vibes.
My favorite part of Christmas is I always have the best gift right here.
Oh my. Oh my God, that's good.
It's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
It's so bomb.
I mean, honestly, folks, do yourself a favor. Get yourself a crock pot. Get rid of the microwave kind.
All right, should we see the rest of our house?
Yum.
This is our dining room. Again, we kept it fairly simple. I do like a more minimal look, but obviously you need a major centerpiece. If we're being honest, we don't usually eat at our dining table. Usually it's chaos and we're running around. But I will say, when is the one time a year we actually sit down as a family and eat dinner?
This is the time the table shines. Over the holidays, we will sit there and eat one time a year.
We decided as a family that Christmas Eve is gonna be our evening, that we just stay home with our family of 6. We make soup and we actually sit down as a family at the dinner table.
We get the dust off here and we sit and eat.
That is when she shines. So we have a major centerpiece. I love this giant bowl, all the greens. We love her. But I'm excited to head into the living room because that is my favorite room for Christmas. Even when we were building our house, I thought about the living room and how we're gonna decorate for Christmas.
Honestly, that's valid. She asked, where's the tree gonna go?
Where is the tree gonna go? We need a fireplace to hang our stockings. Like, it's just very important.
And where's Santa gonna come down?
Duh.
Of course.
So decorating in the living room, I just wanted it to feel cozy. I want to give off like a rustic kind of cabin vibe. So a lot of like natural greens throughout. I love my Charlie Brown trees. They're not your full trees that you see all over Instagram. I love that they're like very sparse and bare, and I just love them. I feel like they have so much character.
I love that they're fake as well. Because
Who loves a fake tree?
I like fake trees. Real trees are way too messy.
Have you ever had a real tree?
No, but we had real garland and that was enough for me. Anyway, these trees this year, she wanted to have these globes, what do you call them?
A sphere.
These sphere planters.
Sphere, he says.
As the base, but that doesn't really work with your Christmas trees. They all come with like, you know, your big cross brace where you put your tree inside. They didn't fit inside there, so you know what I did? I went into my hoard bin of all my hoarding utensils. I found my old mailbox post and I cut it up and I made a frame of 2x4s and then I had my kids spray foam the inside and boom, Christmas tree planter. Cole's Custom Planters.
Ooh, I was so excited that you made that happen for me. High five to you, making my dreams come true.
Always.
So with these kind of sparse trees, I do also like to keep it minimal, like not a ton of ribbons, different textures. I like to mix match all the ornaments. This year, I feel like our color palette is very neutrals. I wanted browns, greens, just very neutral, almost moody colors. And I just wanted it to feel very warm.
So I say another thing I love about these trees is they come pre-lit. I don't have to wrap any lights around here. All I gotta do is plug it in.
I love that Cole doesn't care about looks or anything. He just wants it to be simple.
Because let's be honest, who's gonna come put the tree in and then wrap it with lights?
Me.
This guy right here.
I personally love to do mixed matched stockings. I think it's so nice to have a mix of colors, a mix of different textures, and I love kind of grouping them on one side with their little antler stocking holder, of course, because I love just bringing the garland up and around, almost like a wave up and down, and then doing something super drapey on one side. We have our bells. Bells are a major theme in our Christmas decor this year. I just love the rustic bells. I think they're so cute. That's how you know Santa's here, folks.
Either Santa's here or one of the cows came inside.
One thing that we always have in our house is these giant antlers, and it was a perfect opportunity to add more ornaments, kind of dress them up a little bit.
I will say no animals were harmed in the process of hanging these antlers on the wall because they are sheds that were found.
These are the real Rudolph's antlers that he shed.
He shed. I even got his nose somewhere, but I forgot where I put it. What's every parent's favorite Christmas carol? A Silent Night. How is Christmas like your job? You do all the work and a fat guy in a suit gets all the credit. Who is never hungry at Christmas? The turkey, because he's always stuffed. What did the gingerbread man put on his bed? A cookie sheet. Come on. I know it's rough. Good luck to all you dads out there. Honestly, I love how all this came together. I know I may complain during the process, but it looks wonderful. You did a great job.
I'm super happy with how this whole space came together. I feel like I wanted it to feel very warm and cozy and welcoming, and I feel like we kind of captured that.
Absolutely.
So we cannot wait to celebrate the holidays here and just make more memories as
Right.
family.
I can't wait to get the presents under here, and it's time for Christmas. So, every year, not only does Santa visit the kids and myself and my wife inside, but Santa also visits the animals. Hi, Steven. Have you been a good boy? How about you, Nelson? Gary. Hi, Todd. Have you been a good boy? Steven. Hey, be nice, bro. They're a little ornery. Santa didn't visit you last year because you were all on the naughty list. All you got was your owner, Cole. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Peter! been an amazing year. We're so grateful for so many things. We had such a blast filming our show. And from the DeBoer's, we just want to say thank you.
And Merry Christmas. Should we have said it at the same time?
And from the DeBoer's, we just want to say Merry Christmas.
Look at that, we did it at the same time.